Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is wisdom of the ages. It's time to tap into mind, body, and spirit. It's time to have a prayer life, meditation life. Go out into the elements. We're in the rain right now, but go out into the world, into the elements, into nature, your favorite water source, wherever your peaceful place is. And not only just ask for wisdom, knowledge, understanding, but then listen. Use both ears and take time, because someone is going to come your way. Something going to come your way. A download is going to come your way with the answer that you need, that you've been asking for. Have the wisdom, the teachable spirit to ingest it and use it, not to be hard-headed and do it your way, because we can't do everything ourselves. So ask for the wisdom how to make your journey easier so you can work smart, not hard. God has a plan for you. I live here now knowing that beauty is to come. I don't force things faster than the universe has decided for me. You're in the right place, right time, thinking the right thoughts. Just be smart about it so you can continue to go along your journey of success. I learned from my experiences, take small steps in faith to succeed. And then, thanks to all your efforts, success. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.